I give you all my love, and I give you all my love, and I give you all my love, and I give you all, 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 and I give you all my love.
Before you guys click off this video, I just want to give you my brief thoughts about this drone after flying it for the past 2 weeks. I do have a full review coming out in the next couple weeks, but I just wanted to give you kind of like my brief first impressions if you are considering buying one. Before I get into that, I want to thank the sponsor of this video, myself. No, I don't actually have a sponsor for this video, but I did want to take a second to tell you about a super exciting project that I've spent the last couple months working on. And that is a new YouTube channel called Relaxing FPV. It's basically a YouTube channel with these hour-long relaxing cinematic FPV videos. So it's full long FPV clips set to peaceful music. And it's just nice to throw on when you're like editing or studying or working, or you just want something to throw on the TV. I'll link to the channel down below, but it's just starting, so it would mean the world to me if you just went and checked it out. Okay, so now my thoughts on the Mavic 3 Pro. When I first saw this drone, I was insanely excited. The idea of multiple focal lengths on a drone like the Mavic 3 was honestly something I'd been waiting for years. The drone has the normal 1x sensor, but additionally it also has a 3x zoom and a 7x zoom, all on separate sensors. And what that allows you to do is get these insanely unique compressed shots, which basically means you can kind of just bring the background closer to your subjects. Here's an example of a 1x shot on the normal sensor, and then right after I'm gonna put a 3x shot, so you can just see how different the same location can look at different focal lengths. The original Mavic 3 did have an Explorer lens that you could kind of zoom into 7x, and it looked pretty decent at 7x, but it wasn't the best quality. But now with the Mavic 3 Pro, you have the normal 1x zoom, the 7x zoom, and an additional 3x zoom that actually supports 10-bit D-Log-M for way better color grading. Most of the compressed shots you saw in this film were taken on the 3x zoom. And overall, I've been pretty impressed by the images that come out of each of these cameras. If you're a storyteller, this drone is a powerful tool to add to your arsenal. Normally, drones are just used to kind of set the opening scene, like whenever you watch a video, it's like, boom. Drone shot sets the scene, and then usually filmmakers like to put other cameras to kind of get in on the details. But now with this drone, you can get right up in there, capture details, emotions, and other stuff that you just haven't been able to capture with drones in the past. And honestly, to get a lot of the shots that I've gotten off of this drone, you kind of needed either an Inspire setup or like a crane rig in the past. Like I said, I'll be releasing my full review in the coming weeks, so make sure you're subscribed if you don't want to miss that. But that's it for this video. If you guys could do me a huge favor and hit the like button, I will leave a picture of a really cute baby duck at the end of this video. That's it. See you guys.